situations in Gulam. I would like to express my gratitude to Shushantaji to have helped us at all difficult stages during the execution of the film. I would like to thank all the other actors from Mumbai and Kolkata for being totally dedicated. The entire team of Golden Moments and the cast crew of Sri Vimal Mitra, Sai Bibi Gulam. Also my sincere regards to Sri Arundarji, son of Sri Gurudarji.
I also like to invite Sri Rajesh Shingarpuri. Could I request him to speak few words?
And I would like to thank Sahara Manoranjan, the Golden Moments.
I invite Aparnaji to speak.
A great project to be on, and I really feel extremely happy and honored to be a part of it. It's given me great dance, which is something that I would, a chance that I wouldn't have got elsewhere. My co-stars and the entire production has been great, as everyone said.